In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily create a trading bot on the platform BingX. If you want to get the best sign-up bonus possible on BingX, you simply have to go down to the video description, click on the link, and you will get to exactly this page right here, and you can get up to $5,000 in bonuses. To create an account, simply enter your details right here, and then you're ready to go. Alright, so once you have money deposited, we can now use a trading bot, and to do that, you simply go up here to Wealth, and then click on Grid Trading. Then you will get to this page, and here is the futures grid. This is the one that you want to use. So simply click on here, create, and then you have two options, either automatically or manual. In this case, I'm going to show you how it works for automatic, because then it will use some recommended settings that you can also manually change. But in this case, it's pretty convenient to just use the recommended options. First, we can choose between neutral, long, or short. So if you think the price is just going to go sideways and you want to make some profits off these price movements, or you think we are in a bull market, so you want to use the long settings or the short settings for a bear market. In this case, I'm just going to leave it at neutral. Then you can see there's a price range, so where we want this grid to be built. So the bottom will be at 50,000 and the top will be at 70,000. And then, of course, the current price, as you can see here, is currently at 60,000, somewhere here in the middle. And then the second option right here, this is how many grids it will build, because of course, this is a grid trading bot that will build automatically these orders. So selling orders up here and buying orders down here. With the bottom and the top, we've set that right here. And this is the amount of grids it will build. So 63 grids in total in this range that we can see right here. We can of course also modify these parameters. Then we would switch over to the manual and you can change these numbers, but you can also just use the recommended ones which in here, which is also pretty nice to use and actually not that bad. Then down here, you can choose how much you want to put in this trading bot. You can see your available balance right here. If you click on the plus, you can also transfer some more money onto it, or of course deposit more. And here you can also use your leverage, which you can use up to a 125x. I would definitely recommend start off with a smaller leverage. In this case, I'm going to leave it at a 5x. Click on confirm. And then down here, type in the amount that you want to invest in this trading bot. So you can use the slide controller or simply type in, for example, $120. And then once you have set all of that up, you could also add a take profit and stop loss where you want to exit the trading bot with a certain profit, for example, 25% profit, or with a certain loss. You will also set a stop loss right here. Once you're fine with all of these numbers, you can just click on create grid, and then that's pretty much it, and the trading bot is active. Don't forget to pick up the best sign-up bonus possible on here with up to $5,000 in rewards. And if you have any other questions, feel free to ask them in the comments.